Let's look at this remote control submarine. Great little gadget this. Really interesting because it works as a true 6-channel submarine. So there's a propeller on the bottom and at the back. And what will happen is on the controls I can go backwards and forwards, up and down and left and right. So it's a full 6-channel remote control submarine. Let's put it in the water and see how it performs. So I can move it forwards and left and right. I can move it backwards. Now the faster I go, the bigger the turning circle, and the slower I go, it will turn on a sixpence. So really nice little design, good fun to control and to move around. But what I really want to show you in a moment is how it will take in water and begin to submerge down into the depths of the tub. So I press this button here and it begins to descend, and I can hold it kind of in the middle of the water if I want and hover it there and move it around. And I'm going to just press this button here to ascend, and it should begin to pump the water out. And here we go, it slowly comes to the surface. Very impressive little gadget actually, because it's only about, what, a few inches long. It's not very big at all. So now I can just sail it around the tub and enjoy it. So I'll leave you to have a look at it for a while just to wrap up. But yeah, so a nice little gadget, you know, something just to break up the boredom of when you're chilling in your tub or out in your pool, something to control, a little bit of a challenge. So yeah, interesting little thing. So it's kind of therapeutic to use this, and they're around about £25 from most of your online stores. It's just something to break up the boredom, something a bit interesting, something a bit different. So I thought I'd do a quick video for you. So I hope it's useful, and if you want to give it a go, let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching.